Hi friends, welcome to the channel. There is a good news from Scalar that it is providing free master classes to the freshers who want to upskill their skills. And watch the video till the end to know complete details about this. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe so that you will never miss latest updates on our YouTube channel. And it is providing on two that is introduction to SQL for data science using Oracle, and in this they are going to teach a basic SQL statements and commands. All the details you are going to learn in this module very clearly on Thursday 27th October at 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. There will be 2 hours of live. In that live you are going to learn SQL using Oracle, and after completing the session you will receive a link for registration for the certificate. If you fill that certificate link, you will get the participation certificate. And one more thing, Python bootcamp. Here they are going to explain each and everything related to the Python, and how the future scope regarding Python, all the things they are going to explain. And this class will be on Saturday 29th October at 4 p.m. 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. The live will be going to conduct, and it is of 4 hours of live. Here you need to join by clicking the registration form. The link will be given in description for Python bootcamp. After successful registration, you will receive a link for the webinar. And if you have any queries regarding the same, you can join in our WhatsApp and Telegram groups, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.